Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable appdrawer. As you can see right now, appdrawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to More, enter home screen mode and select standard mode. Apply and switch. And now appdrawer is disabled. Let's enable it again, so tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to More. Enter home screen mode and select drawer mode this time. Apply, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.